guys, welcome back to Smith RC Studios. Thank you for tuning in. I hope you guys are having a good day. Today is gonna be a fun day because I'm at the Legg Lake here in Southern California, and I have a key to get in here. And normally when I come here, I don't need the key because there's people here, but today I actually had to open the gate over there, had to open the gate here. And the cool thing about this facility or lake, it is for RC boat enthusiasts and fanatics to come here. This is the spot to be. Legg Lake here in Southern California, the spot to be. So I actually have my NAMBA membership, so you have to have that when you come here. It's basically insurance. And yeah, so look, that's the boating stand over there. I've showed that before in other of my videos. And yeah, let's go check it out. So yes, this, if you haven't seen this yet in other videos of mine, this is the boating stand, the boater's stand here. So people stand here and you come down this way. I have a key here. I'm gonna open this up. There's a retrieve boat in there. And here are the stands for boats. So obviously 6 feet apart, right? But there's nobody here. So yeah, we're gonna have fun today. All right, yeah, the retrieve boat is in here. And there it is, guys. All right. You just pull this thing out right here. There we have it, man. Just in case we get stuck out there, something happens, the boat shuts off, fail safe or something, we got this guy here. So very important, the retrieve boat. Wow, amazing boat. I love this thing. I love the V. The V hull, this thing is just goes nice and smooth like butter, guys. Anyway, good times here at the Legg Lake here in El Monte, Southern California. I gotta get out of here before it gets dark. But anyway, thanks for tuning in. I hope you guys liked that video. If you haven't yet, subscribe. If not, that's okay. See you guys next time. Okay, bye-bye.